Hey guys, me Patrick, and Logan one time of this present all just surrounding it, and what's it called again? And the person came with it, and look, the elves are surrounding it, and in fact we're just gonna open it.
Is it a Christmas present?
I don't know. What am I supposed to know? But when we brought it out, it was banging. We kicked it away because it was so scary.
Right, we're going to have a look at it and then we're all going to sit around it and open it. Not yet. Everybody stay there to have a look at it.
Scared.
Guys, this is what
Take all
happened.
the
when-
elves away before they look exam because I'm going to make them.
Right, I'm talking now. Guys, we were up the stairs and we came down to this elf. The delivery man dropped off this box at Logan's mummy's house and she brought it over there. And we came down the stairs and that's the way it was. Blaine's a bit hyper, as you can hear. Guys, one at a time, remember when you open this box? Just go. Who's touching? How are we getting elves off it?
Tap them off it.
Right, you tap them, I'm not touching them.
I'm not touching. Hi, Bria.
Patrick? Right,
What's a bin bag?
sit around, try to get up and make sure you do it right.
What's a bin bag over it? Maybe.
Right, guys.
Let's open it. Let's open it, people. We're going to show you what's inside of it first, but we don't know what it is.
The delivery man left us in next door too.
And we are scared of it. It's the same box, look. Is there one for us? No. Or is there just one for you? I don't know. What's that gonna be?
Right, guys, be quiet now when you look in. Be careful.
No, we're going to show you what's inside it. Make them lock down. We don't know what it is. One, two, three, go. Oh, it's elves. Don't touch.
Oh my God, it's not elves. There's notes. There's notes. Boys, you aren't allowed to touch elves.
I forgot. I'll read it. These elves must stay into church court for all the children who visit. We have been watching you.
Are there any more notes? Logan, read the notes.
I'll read it.
Guys, let's see.
This is a girl.
Give the Logan, he can read it.
This is a girl elf.
Only 5 days to go.
Right, Logan, take the box and read it. Everybody take them over to the sofa and sit. Guys, everybody.
We have
Over to the sofa, over to the sofa.
and guys, if these are one.
Sit in the sofa.
This is a new elf. This is the new elf. We have the other new one in the
Sit in the
kitchen.
sofa.
But we're scared of it.
Guys, why did you get a delivery of these from the postman? I think you're in big trouble.
We don't know. We don't know.
What does it say on the box, Logan? Let Logan read it.
Hello, I am Buddy's sister.
Boys, it's Buddy's sister.
Be aware.
Be aware of us.
Told you they're not to be played with. Drop all them elves in that box. Get them in that box. Put all the elves back in the box. Put the elves in the box, everybody. What do you think of this, Patrick?
We have more than 10 elves in my stuff.
Are you not scared? I am scared because there's another one looking to be adopted. Get them in the box and get the box in the bin, guys. They have to go.
No, I don't have to go.
Look in this box. The many elves, and you think we're keeping these?
Yes, we are. We need them. Santa needs them.
Santa might need them, but we don't need them here because they're watching you and you're being bad. That's why there's more and more
They're
coming.
kept in here. And it doesn't matter if they move.
Guys, is anybody scared?
Yes.
No,
Right, everybody sit down.
I'm not
Oh no, how are we going to do it to them?
What do you think of this video?
Scary.
Are you scared?
No.
Yes.
You're all scared? Well, guess what? You should be, because now it means Santa had to send more elves to you. So you ain't listening this year.
A lot more.
A lot more. And that means you just mightn't get anything. You should be scared. What do you guys say before we go?
Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications
The bell button.
bell, and I don't even know.
And a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye.